You can feel it on your feet.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, do you like it
just enough? Just
yeah.
to...
Wow.
All right, so that is a wrap on the Seakeeper 2 install on this Southport 29. We've got everything taken care of, the Seatrial, the validation, everything's all good. We passed with flying colors. Wish we would have had a little more sporty weather to really put it through its paces, but she did exactly what she's supposed to do, and it's great. You guys want to know more about Seakeepers, think about maybe you want to install it on your boat, reach out to us or leave it below in the comments or sales@navtronics.com. We'd love to talk to you guys some more about Seakeeper.